Welcome to my channel, Ra Atalawi Fitness, Health, Wealth, Bodybuilding, Fitness, and Sports!
Basketball this championship game between these two South, and this is a battle of South. Ball possession with South one, interception, and the ball on the inbound. Here is South one, cross-court pass, back on the right side for Dre, won't go, rebound secured for South two. Here's the South two, Antega Timog, Heidi Gordon. On the transition, isolation play between the legs, inside, kicks out. Here's Bagatnan with the three, bounces off. Here's the South one bowlers on the transition, winds it up, misfires. Are having a hard time to make an adjustment. Ball stolen. Here's the South one bowlers. May pahawi pa ng buhok. That is the Silas Vincent. Wow. Mabawi. Galing doon sa short three-pointer. Look at that as known. He seals that ball. Great rejection. Again, running this offense can take a higher lead than two. Extra pass outside. One-hander to the big man. There's an open big man inside the paint. As it draws a 2-point added para sa team ng South One Ballers. Here's Bagatnan on the top of the key, tightly guarded. Here's Bagatnan, tightly guarded by J3. Almost. Good defense so far for South One, denying an open lane. Shot clock down to 10. All the way, layup, won't go. Big rebound. Here's Tesales now, Vincent. Spins, kick out, 3-pointer. Now it's up, another offensive rebound. On the baseline, the kick out again. On the left, to the right, 7 seconds to shoot, jumper, and he knocks it down. Look at that great ball movement for the South One to make an execution for an added. At this start of the ball game, 4 points already, also 1 assist. Pass it off on the left side, won't go in the 3-pointer. It's another rebound for Reyes. Second attempt, but not this time. Here's number 3, creating a separation. Down low passes, attacking every gap, kicks it out. Quick tray, jumper, misfires. Here's Stepnik Atimog on their transition. And here is South both teams are having a hard time. Player number 69, that is Gesta. On the drive, the kick out, baseline J, too strong, got it with that rebound scramble. And there would be a higher basket. The South is having a hard time to make a bucket, but there will be a long 3 attempt. Not this time. Here is number 6, spins away. One-hander misfires, getting his own miss, but here's Bagatnan. Bagatnan from coast to coast, spins, is stopped, off the glass, is good! Coast to coast, getting that first basket now for South 2. Can South 1 respond to that attack? On the dribble, on the drive. Blocked there by Bagatnan. Great projection right there. Here's Bagatnan. After that transition play and an added point, the 20 defenders muzzling his way through. Forces. Second try is no good. Bagatnan grabbing the rebound. Nothing down there, that putback. Rebound scramble, loose ball is now get by South 1. I think this is number 5. And there would be a 5-man substitution on this ball game. There's a rebound now for South 2. The outlet. Oh, that's a miscue. Over para sa Tega Timog. Here's the South 1 ballers on the move. Long 3. Came too short. Red Speed rather. Trying to get that rebound for. Oh, it's a steal. South 1 goes on the ring. Layup is good. As it puts it up and in. Another try. There's an offensive rebound. Kick out. There would ball game. Here's number 3 out of the hesitation move. Muzzling his way through, creating space. Came too short. Here's Adega Timog as he protects that leather. On their transition now. Here's Brito. 14 on the shot clock. Good defense. Number 13 having a hard time. Pass off to Brito down low on the baseline. The spin. Muscling his way in. Misses the shot. Rebound secured now for South 1. Boys deflected. It's a steal. Pocket. Because of the strong defense that's been made by the South 1 ballers. Talagang nade-deflect nila ang kada pasa. And predictable ang kanilang mga tira. But here's the South 1 ballers now. Tries to make a statement under that ring. Creating separation, loses the chance. Here's the Negatimog. Where the ball stopped. 4-3. Misfires. Coming from JM Rabandaban. Rebound now secured for South One. Again, another chance on the offensive end to get a higher lead. They are still up by 6. Setting things up now for South One. Shot clock now to 10. On the drive, the one-hander will go. Offensive rebound, put back short. And miss another opportunity down there. Great 3-point separation. Here's the South One Boys. Seals another point. And that's an easy kill. Another steal after steal. And points. This time was from Christian Cairo. It is now a 10 big lead so far. Alley play is starting from the logo. Make another point para sa team ng South 2. Here's the South One Bowlers. Oh, showing handles right there. Creating separation move. Down low. Outlet pass. One and gone. No good. Possession. Both teams are matched at each other. Here is Arestalio. Here's now Talib. Tightly guarded. His opponent extra passes and 16-7 now is the official count. 30 seconds remain in this first quarter. Here's JM, pass it off to number 13. Number 13 to Puello. Block there, but there with 8 seconds to go. Pass it up to our punting teammate. Good defense. 5 seconds. Outlet. This JM goes all the way. And that's the end of the first. And start of the second quarter. The pass now on the right side. Big 3-pointer. Almost. Hitting top iron. It's an offensive rebound. Down low pass. 2 defenders. Goes out. Spins. Stop. Forces the issue. Getting some miss. And Bagatman scores still. Over 2 defenders scoring 2 points. Commended hustle galing kay Bagatnan, making another point para sa kanyang team. But here is the South One Bowlers as they seal some screen. Kicks it out, inside, drives in the paint, one-hander, back shot, one go. Here's the Negatimo on the transition play. Palama, up and under, no good. Battling for that leather, but here's number 26 off the glass, misses. It's now a rebound for Southwell. Again, another try to make a basket to get a higher lead. They're still up by 3, but they came from 7-point lead. Sidestepping move, one-hander, won't go. Bagatman with the rebound. Here's Negativog now running this offense again. On their transition, here's Bagatnan. Stop and pump for 3. Misfires. Here's the South One Ballers now on their transition. Finally guarded by 2. Spins away between defenders. Lays it in. Look at that move. If you see that move, partner, it spins away on 2 defenders, making a scoop layup down low that rim. But Palama finds an open man down low to get an easy 2 for Tegatimog. Still on 3-point lead so far. Great separation. Here's Sanchez with a quick J. Not this time. Here's Bagatman now running this basketball. Para daw maka-park yung mobile ng police. Maraming salamat po. Mariniano the jumper. Here is offensive rebound. The spin muscling his way in. Won't go. Bagatman now secures a possession. Here is number 34. Palama. Pass it off to Bagatman. Bagatman squares up for 3. Bounces in this time from downtown. Look at that, partner. Without any hesitation, he pulls up a 3-pointer to tie this basketball game on our second quarter. Great separation. Here's number 3, tries to answer, but not this time. It is our official count. Here's Palama. Palama at the middle. Takes a one-legged jumper. Won't go. Hitting top iron. It's a South one now. Bounce pass inside, down low. Basket is good. And one play. Look at that counter. Galing kay player number 00, Archie Enalpe. And another a long two correction for the Tiga Timog. And still having a 21-20 score. Here's a three-pointer for South One, won't go. Rebound secured for Tiga Timog. Here are the guys in blue. Palama, pass it out down low. Pagatman for an easy alley-oop. That's the second time around for an alley-oop open shot. Look at that vision, partner. A separation, creating space underneath the rim to took an alley-oop play. And they are having now para sa mga Tiga-Timog with a long three, not this time, but it is the first lead of Tiga-Timog so far. Here is the try, be up and under scoop play. The key as he set things up. And a team foul number 2. Here's Bagatnan from the logo, fires from Delta 3! Bagatnan with his second three, big time shot. Boys affected, here's number 10. Triple team, it's a steal, here's Tiga-Timog, but the ball was deflected back now to South One. Here is the crossover move. Desales pass it up down low. Block, but there would be. Here's a steal now for Tiga-Timog. The guys in blue wanting this offense. Remaining with the possession. The inbound goes now for number 13. Pass off inside. One-hander by number 5. Won't go. Rebound for South One. Here's South One now running this offense. Number 5 pass it off on the right wing. Cross-court pass. Hand to shoot. Here's Talib. Kicks it out. Long three. Misfires. Rebound secured now for Tiga-Timog again. Here is the ball on the shot clock. Stop and pop. Won't go. Offensive rebound block. Big block there. Shot clock winding down to 10. Oh, it's a steal now for South One. Throws it up on the front court. Pass it up. Cross court. Good save. Ball still alive for South One. Oh, the pass was anticipated from behind. Here's number 13. Code for it. One lead remaining for Tiga-Timog. The guys in blue remains with great defense. Actually, partner, having that turnover makes them that they know that they're having a tight defense on this ball game. Here's the Tiga-Timog now on their transition. JM inside, kicks it out. One-hander, no good. Here's the South One. 2v3. Extra passes, quick handoff, no good. Rejection, denied. Here's JM with an outlet pass. Here's number 13. No good on this up and under. Rebound again for South One. Here's number 12. Pass it off, number 4. And there would be Badan. 4-3. Misfires. Oh, it's a quick steal. Anticipated. Here's Talib on the top of the key. 4-3. Fourth shot. No good. And we're now entering the crunch time of the first half. JM pass it off, number 5, layup in and out. Almost a great attempt there para kay Jeffrey. But here is the South One ballers. Lose. Here's the inbound. Inbound goes for number 22. Jimenez gives it up on the left side. Here's Brito. Inbound goes to Brito. Brito inside. Easy two-pointer for that one-hander. Look at that. Brito Renz seals the point inside the paint. Here's Talib on the top of the key as he set things up. Ares 4-3, second attempt. And this time from downtown 3. That is a knockdown from downtown. Para kay Brito. But here's JM Rabandaban as he seals that point. Here's Aris Talib. Crosses over between two defenders. Missing on the second free throws. Only a 1-point lead. Gets free. And behind the back pass. What a great dive. For an easy basket. The vision of Aris Talib. Outlet pass now. Knowing that you have an opponent in front of yours to make a bucket and a quick scenery. 5 seconds to go. On the outlet, 2 seconds. The layup is good and the end of the quarter. That is
buo ng City San Marino ng Board of Directors. Congratulations po sa magandang event at pagpatuloy nyo na ang barangay natin ay patuloy na sumusuporta sa ganitong event. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Kagawad Cesar Kelop po.
Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat na ang pamahalang barangay ay buong sumusuporta sa mga ganitong adikain dito sa ating barangay. Kaya naman, kita nyo naman yung nilalaro yung covered court ngayon, bagong pintura yan ng barangay at bagong kabit ng ilaw. Kaya salamat sa patuloy nyo pagsuporta sa pamahalang barangay at good luck sa dalawang team na naglalaban. Dito pa lang, panalo na tayo dahil nakikita na natin ang pagkakaisa ng bawat kabataang manlalaro dito sa San Marino. Kaya, salamat sa patuloy niyong pagsuporta. Muli po, Kagawad Joe Paredes, magandang gabi sa inyo lahat.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Una sa lahat po, magpapasalamat po kami sa HOA po ng San Marino sa pag-imbita po sa amin dito sa napakagandang ligang ito. Naway hindi po kayo magsawang suportahan ang adhikain ng HOA ng San Marino. At syempre, salamat po sa pagtangkilik sa mga proyekto ng ating barangay. At umasa po kayo na lahat ng pangangailangan na pwedeng makatulong po ang barangay, tutulong po kami muli sa inyo. Maraming salamat po, Kagawad JP Paras po.
Okay, magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Siyempre po, sa binabati po natin ang lahat ng directors na nag-organisa ng tournament na ito. Binabati ko po kayo sa isang matagumpay din yung sports program dito sa San Marino. Siyempre po kami sa Bunepang Barangay ay lagi po sumusuporta sa lahat ng programa pangkalakasan ng ating Kapitan Eric Paredes. Saan po ninyo tuloy-tuloy po ang aming programa para sa sports na ito. Muli po, magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Kagawad o nga po.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Isang mapagpalang gabi po sa lahat ng mga nanonood ngayong gabi. Sa lahat po ng mga players, binabati ko po kayo sa maligaya pagkatapos ng palaro ito. Siyempre po, binabati ko rin po ang nasa likod dito. Wala iba kung hindi ang prinsipal na directors. Sa panguna po ni Director Melendres. At siyempre po, kami po sa pamahalang barangay, kasama po ang aming mahal na kapitan. At siyempre po, ang aming konseo, kasamahan din namin ang mga SK ay patuloy na maglilingkod po sa inyo at gagawa ng mga proyekto na angkop po sa ating barangay. Maraming salamat po at magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Mabuhay kayo mga kababayan ko dito sa San Marino. Ang barangay Salawat ay patuloy na gagawa ng magagandang proyekto na naangkop sa ating mga kababayan. Kaya sana patuloy tayong magkaisa hanggang sa susunod na mga eleksyon para patuloy tayong gagawa ng maasahan natin epektibong programa at epektibong paglilingkod sa ating mga kababayan. Mabuhay po kayong lahat. Magandang gabi.
Back to the ball game.
turn. Here's the Katimov now on this offense. Pass it off outside on the baseline. The kick out. Here's Bagatman for three. From downtown three. Look at that. Dave Bagatman. Another long three. Making some adjustments on his shot to make a bucket. And there is some action down there to make a statement. And a point lead para sa team ng South One Ballers. Again, here's Tigatimog. Again, outside. And on fire now is Bagatman behind the arc. Back-to-back three-pointers for this man. Somebody stopped that man to make a three-pointer. Dave Bagatman with his third attempt at a three-point made on this ball game. Kicks it out once more. Here's the South One. Stop and pump. Draws it. No good. Here's Kent. Down low. No good. Seals that leather. Great adjustments. Shot clock for South One to make a shot. 3 seconds. All the way. One go. Good defense coming from number 9. Heavily contested layup. Here's Bagatman. Oh, what a great handle. Showing off his handle. Long ball. And that would be nothing. On that logo. But not this time. Here's Talib. Quick answer right now. 4-3. Misfires. Bagatman with another rebound for Tigatimog. Here's the guys in blue. Outlet now. Here's Brito. And the foul was called downplay. Palanya. One-hander three-pointer. One hand. Nothing down on that shot by Brito. Here is South One again. Bounce pass to a cutting pen. Sanchez is blocked. Denied. Rejected. Galing kay Dave. Not in my house. Ang sabi ni Dave Bagatnan for Ken Sanchez under the 18 seconds remaining on the shot clock. Here is Talib as he seals it. Quick handoff on the top of the key as he set things up. 10 on the shot clock. Step back three. One go. Great contest. Jump, half step. Here's the inbound. Inbound goes to Renz. Brito breaks it back to the point guard. Here's Malamia. Oh, loses the handoff. Anticipated pass. Here's the passes. Tries to seals it. Big rebound for number 5 for the small man. Kicks it out. Extra pass. And Ken, nothing down for Sanchez. Third quarter. Here's Renz. Bigay bola para kay Dave. Here's Bagatnan with a contested three. Just hit at the back iron. Outlet pass. Here's Aris with a wide open shot. And the lead is down to 137-36. Those outlet passes are now making counts for South One. Here is Tigatimog. The guys in blue again. Running this offense. There would be in this possession or even tie it. Least of a free throw. Here is Desales. Pass it up again. Down low. Sabi ni Ken, you cannot reject it right this time. Akin na to. But here's Palanya on that quickness between 3 defenders off the play number 9. One-handed misfires. Here's Ken, seals that rebound on their transition. Here's number 3, seals it, lays it in. That is Vincent Desales now making his own move. Here is Malamia. Malamia picks it up to Brito. Brito bumps up. Loses dribble on the fade, and the basket is good. End one play. Talib now on their transition play as he brings in the leather. Quick handout on the left wing. Tries inside. Blocked in. Oh, here's Malanja now. One go. Tries to do a Khairi finish there. Avoiding defenders is another steal. Here's Bagatman. Bagatman to Palamia. Palamia lobs it up, deflected. But there is a whistle. Dave on that free throw line. It's a change of favor. 1-point lead again for Tigatimog. Here is Aris. Talib gives it up on the corner. One dribble. Fires. Short. The good backs out there coming from the blue. Here's Bagatman. Long bomb again. Off the mark. Here's a rebound. All the way. What a great finish. Look at that great finishes. But here's Brito seals it with a counter and one answer.
The foul was called on player number 12.
Point play. Here's Talib on the top of the key as he set things up. Quick handoff para kay Desales. Here's Desales. Bigay bola para kay Aris. Long three contested. Misfires. Here's Jimenez. Bigay bola para kay Dave. Off to Tino. Here's Palanya. On the top of the key, set things up. Here's Palanya space. Oh my! Almost. There's a rebound. Putback is there. King Jimenez with a 2. A 4-point lead on this game. Astiga Timog seals it one last time. Here's Ken. Kicks it out. Almost loses another chance. Kicks it out para kay Aris. Talib up and under. Almost, but not quite. Tips it in. Now with the tip in there, going for South 1. Changing of basket so far in this third quarter. And there. Here's the rebound, missing on that both free throws. Rebound secured for South 1. At the middle now, good handles. Jumper misfires. Outlet pass. Here's Dave. Bouncing his way through. And through.
For the first free throw by Glenman was a miss. Substitution.
2 minutes and 20 seconds remaining in this third quarter. As this championship game is still super tight so far. And here is the point guard. Talib, lose the dribble, pass it up down low on the baseline, extra pass from behind. Here is the rebound for Tagatimog. The guys in blue again running this offense. They are still in the 3-point lead. Bagatman setting things up. Shot clock winding down 10 seconds. Here's Brito. Renz handed off. Down would be go for a travel. Masyadong matalas ang mata ng ating referees in charge. Inside, here's Ken. Quick J, not this time. Tries to seal it. Here's Aris. Down low. Inside, here's Ken. Off the glass, misses. 47-45, it's a 2-point lead still for Tagatimog. Here's Magatman. Quick fires. No good, short of the shot. Rebound secured for South 1. Here's number 4 with that rebound. Hands it up to Desales. Here's Vincent. Vincent gives it up to Talib. Talib for 3. Boom! Talib 3! Another knockdown from downtown. Para kay Aris Talib. Another seals moment. Ball stolen. Here's Aris as he seals it. Creating space now. 30 seconds remaining. 15 on the shot clock. Kicks it out. Once more. Here's Aris. Attack. Loses it. Shot clock is turned off. 20 seconds. Good handles for Bagatman. Attacks. Leo Bescoy. Hey, Bagatman. Post to post right there, coming from Bagatman. The game clock is down to 7. 5 seconds to go. All the way. Layup is a miss. Defensive rebound. Good defense. Down low. And that would be the end of the third. Lang ating OWA that is headed by President Arthur Melendres together with Mike Lotok, Daniel Parco, Mary Jane Haina, and Albacel de Villa. There's a big 3-pointer there coming from Desales. Vincent Desales starts off the quarter with a 3-pointer. The pass by Palanya, no good. Here is Bagatman. Bagatman fires off. That would be a long two again for Bagatman. That is a quick long two to ties this moment. Kicks it out once more. Shot fake. Inside. Here's Ken with a one-handed finish. Now Sanchez. One-hander by Ken Sanchez in the third. He wasn't making any of those. But now he is. And Bagatman again with the basketball. At top of the key. Pull up J. Won't go. Rebound secured for Vincent. Here's Desales. Gives it up. No good at the lay. Putbag, in and out. Back for the rebound. And there it is, the finish for that putback coming from Fuentes. That is Arnel Fuentes. And here's Tino off the Brito, off the glass, release it in. Quick answer there coming from Renz Brito for the guys in blue. Look at that. Tino to Brito with a correct layup under that transition. 55-53 as they seal this moment. Here's the South one off the can, kicks it out for 3. Misfires. Here's Malanya. As he has the leather, brings it in. Here's Tenyo. And there will be Owezo. Here's Pagatman receiving that inbound. Tries to jab. Fake. Goes on the right side. Won't go, getting so miss. Takes it up. Still nothing down to the shot. Rebound now secured for Talib. Talib pass up to Desales. Desales pass it down low. 3-pointer, hitting top iron, big rebound. Good save, goes still alive. It's a secured ball for the Ticatimo. The guys in blue now. The outlet. Here's Brito. Almost at one. Make it 2 out of. Here's Saleh, brings down that basketball. Pass it up on the right for 3. In and out. Big rebound, offensive rebound, but there would be. Outside, Tyler for 3. Won't go. Bagatman secured that rebound. Here's Palanya. Palanya deflected. Niya bigay bola para kay Dave. Tightly guarded from the South One ballers. And on the shot clock. Long 3. Bang! From downtown. 3! That's the 5th 3-pointer, Dave. Bagatman now has released. And looks like South One trying to make an answer. Easy 2 points there coming from Sanchez. That is Kent Sanchez. Drives inside the paint. Draws a one-handed finish. But here's Renz. Here's Brito again on the left side. Back now at the middle for Bagatman. Dave tries to go inside. Fakes, fades. Too strong on the shot. Here's Talib now, running this offense for South One. Pass off to Desales. Here's Vincent. Inside, there would be a whistle. Of this first Director's Cup 2020. 59-58, another change of favor. 1 point lead for South One. Here is the guys in blue. Palanya, good handles, gives it up. Brito fakes the shot. He fires and he makes. Both teams are exchanging baskets on this fourth and final quarter with a 59-60, a 1-point game of this open age category. Kicks it out. Here's Desales once more. Here's Adam on a shot fake. On his hesitation. Down low. Miss 12 seconds. At the logo, uses the ball screen. Pull up Jay on the 3. Dave Bagatman 3. Another knockdown from downtown para kay Dave Bagatman. As they have a 4-point lead. Ball getting his way through off the glass. Would go. Here's the Ticatimo as they seal that leather under that rebound. Highly guarded by Tim. Loses the chance. Here's Tino. Ball stolen. Will be Palanya. Palanya inbounds the leather to Dave. Here's Bagatman. Loses the handle. Gets it back. 10 on the shot clock. This is another isolation play. Galing kay Dave. On a crossover. Stop and pump. Jumper misfires. Here's the South One ballers now. Aris Talib on the top of the key. Set things up. Stop and pump. For 3. Yes! From downtown. 3. Another knockdown from downtown from the South One ballers. But here's Malanya. Quick handoff. King with a quick J. Seals it. Renz. Oh my. Number 0. With a clean up. Iron Palad rather makes that easy putback. 65-62 with the count. On the 3-pointer again. Bang! Here's Desales. Another 3-pointer to take an opportunity to tie this game. Here's Here's Dave, nagmamadali, loses a chance. Ball goes into the other. It's the chance now for South One bowlers to take a lead in this quarter. We have 3 minutes remaining on the game clock for this fourth and final quarter. Pass off to Vinces Desales with hot hands. Heavily guarded, pass off to Talib. Here's Aris. Aris kicks it out. Jumper on the baseline. Won't go. Bagatman with the rebound. There's an outlet now. Colombia. Here's Brito. And there would be a whistle. Has plenty of time to work with. Tries to drive. 3-pointer. No good. By the way, that rebound. Rebound scramble. Loose ball. Here's Brito. Draws a... A 1-point ball game. Here is Talib. Talib gives it up now to a hot-handed Vincent Desales. Here's Desales. Oh! Steal! Balanya! Kumagatnad! It's only a 2-point ball game out of... Here's number 27 now. Las Rumes! Here's the drive. No good. Blocked by Bagatnan. Here's Dave loading his offense. Outlet pass. Oh no. One moment. Extra passes. One handy. One go. But Arnold Fuentes misses both. There's a rebound, put back is there by Junior Reyes. Another deadlock para sa dalawang koponan. Here's Dave making a try to make a statement. Muzzling his way through. Here's Ken, outlet pass. Here is Vincent Desales. Desales pass it up to Reyes. Here's number 3, Desales on the move. Quick jumper. Not this time. Here is Bagatman. Pass it up to Palanya. Palanya almost using the handle. Received by Bagatman. Shot clock winding down. 14 to shoot. Here's Dave. Goes all the way. And the layup is good. Dave Bagatman. Under a minute remaining down. Here's Vincent. Desales kicks it out. Good three. Look at that partner without any hesitation. He fires up a triple, seals a 1-point game. 45 seconds remaining. Here's Dave. Got 9. This is a crucial moment for Dave Bagatnan. Will he ties this game into a 70? Under the 42 seconds remaining. And here is the last free throw for Dave Bagatman. Misses a rebound secured for South One bowlers. Desales gives it up. Back now to Vincent. Here's Vincent again. Hand it up to Fuentes. Here's Arnold. 30 seconds remaining. Pass now to Desales. Shot clock down to 7. 5. Desales for 3. A hot hands for Desales. Making a 3-pointer on that crucial moment, making this game into a 4-point situation. The entire game, South One bowlers has been catching up that lead, but obviously they are up by 4, 73-69. Sabi partner, this is the exciting 40 minutes match play under this open age category of this first Directors Cup 2025. 14 seconds on the shot clock and 14 seconds inbound. That would be on the side. Let's see what kind of play does the Tiga Timog will do, having this 4-point lead of this ball game. Palanya inbounded to Dave. Here's Bagatman. 10 on the shot clock. Bagatman fires. Open fire is a rebound. There would be a whistle. Wala pa. Ori still. Lahat po ng tao labas pa ng court. Di pa tapos. Di pa tapos. Hindi pa tapos. Hindi pa tapos ang laban. Still 3 seconds remaining. We will see if the stay off the line. Labas po muna ng playing court. Here's number 2. And that should do it. End of the championship game.
Thank you so much for watching my blog, Raw at Along with Fitness, Health, Wealth, Bodybuilding, Fitness, and Sport!